Ready? Start. Learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that, as per the FIR in the present case, the alleged recovery of non-commercial quantity, that is 6 kg 50 grams of ganja, was from co-accused Seema, and nothing has been recovered from the petitioner, and the petitioner has been implicated on the basis of disclosure statement of the co-accused Seema. Stop. It is submitted that the petitioner has been in custody 16/3/2021, and in the present case the challan has already been presented, and there are 16 witnesses, and none of them have been examined, and thus the trial is likely to take time. Stop. It is also submitted that all the said witnesses are official witnesses, and thus the question of influencing them does not arise. Stop. In support of his arguments, learned counsel for the petitioner has relied upon the judgment passed in by a coordinate bench of this court dated 17/6/2020, and the judgment passed therein to contend that merely on the basis of the disclosure statement of the co-accused, the petitioner should not be denied the concession of bail. Stop. It is not disputed that the petitioner was never apprehended at the spot, and that the only evidence against him is in the shape of disclosure statement, the admissibility and veracity of which would be tested during the course of trial. Stop. As regards the other three cases which are stated to be pending against the petitioner, the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that even in the said cases he has been falsely implicated and was never arrested at the spot, and has been granted anticipatory bail in all three cases. Stop. Having regard to the facts and circumstances of the case, and that it is a case where the petitioner has been nominated solely on the basis of disclosure statement, the petition is accepted, and it is ordered that the petitioner, in the event of his arrest, shall be released on bail, subject to his furnishing personal bonds and surety bonds to the satisfaction of arresting / investigating officer. Stop. However, the petitioner shall join the investigation as and when called upon to do so, and cooperate with the arresting / investigating officer, and shall also abide by the conditions as provided under section 438 within bracket 2 CRPC. Stop. It is, however, clarified that in case the petitioner does not join investigation, it shall be open to the investigating agency / prosecution to move for cancellation of his bail. Stop.